The Nokia 8 offers a lot of great features such as a powerful chipset, dual sensor camera and a perfectly sized QHD display, but compared to a lot of the competition right now it struggles to offer anything unique. With a super high price point, the Nokia 8 is a good phone but far from a great one. The Nokia 8 features a dual sensor rear shooter that can capture bokeh images with an attractive background blur, and uses a RGB and monochrome sensor in tandem for better low-light photography. The camera has been made in partnership with Zeiss too, although it's not entirely clear what input the German lens specialists have had. There are lots of extra features squeezed in here in an attempt to make this one of the best phone cameras on the market. The design of the Nokia 8 is one of the key elements, and it's one of the most, if not the most, beautiful phones we've ever seen with the Nokia branding emblazoned on the rear. It's an aluminium unibody designed with metal edges, but while the back is metal too, the feel on the rear will depend on which finish you opt for. There are steel and tempered blue colors, but both of these have a matte finish, and look a little bit lackluster when put next to the shiny copper and blue options. The battery in the Nokia 8 is a relatively modest 3,090 mAh unit, so we initially thought it might struggle to power a QHD screen as well as driving top-end performance, but the phone does quite well in terms of battery. The phone is charged up via the USB-C port at the bottom. There's also Quick Charge 3.0 at your disposal, which pumps up the cell quickly, but there's no wireless charging option.